Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about what drinks are free on a Carnival cruise. There are a variety of different drinks that are available for free, meaning they are included in your cruise fare. So if I go over and open up my web browser, I'm on the Carnival Cruise website here. So as it states here, exciting days on board and assured make you thirsty. So thankfully at Carnival Cruise Line, you're well taken care of. Buffet restaurants featuring beverage stations offering water, iced tea, coffee, tea, lemonade, and fruit juice drinks, which is morning only. And these are all complimentary and available 24 hours apart from the fruit juice. Soft drinks aren't free, as it states here, so they got packages for these non-alcoholic soda packages, and these drinks include Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, Starry, root beer, Mountain Dew, bubbly sparkling water in blackberry or lime flavors, and these juices: orange juice, cranberry, tomato, pineapple, and grapefruit juice. These aren't free. These need to be purchased with a bottomless bubbles package.